What should you bring to a free consultation with a car accident lawyer? Hi, I'm Josh Rorscheib. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Central Illinois. And when you have a consultation with a car accident lawyer, we'd encourage you to bring the following items because it can be helpful to both the lawyer and to you in getting the most out of your consultation. So first, if you have a copy of the police report, you should bring that. If not, you likely have a document called an information exchange form that was given to you by the investigating officer. Your lawyers can use that to get a copy of the police report for you. For a lot of investigating police agencies, your lawyer might be able to get it for you while you're in the meeting because the information exchange form will give us the information we might need to download it if that police department allows the reports to be downloaded online. Next, any medical bills and records you may already have. If you don't have any medical bills and records yet, you may have received an insurance explanation of benefits from your health insurance company that would have information about where you treated, when you treated, and those documents can also be helpful to your lawyer because one of the things that we do is try to recreate your treatment history. And sometimes it can be harder than you might guess because if you go to one hospital, apart from just getting the bill and record from that hospital, we will also need to get bills from the ER doctor, the radiology group, maybe the pathology group, maybe the anesthesia group. So you can go to like one hospital and have 5 or 6 different providers we have to get bills from, and your health insurance itemization can be a good way for us to kind of get a jump start on figuring out what bills we're going to have to gather up for you. Next would be your health insurance card. So a lot of folks don't realize this, but if you have an injury case and you are paid money by a third party or the at-fault driver that hit you, in most health insurance contracts, your health insurance company has a right to be reimbursed what they actually pay out for you. Now, you're still almost always better off in Illinois, at least, to have your medical bills billed to your health insurance first, and then to reimburse them later out of a settlement because your health insurance company will have deeply discounted rates for the services you receive. But because you typically have to reimburse your health insurance company for expenses they paid out on your behalf in a car accident case, we need to be able to contact your health insurance company and open a claim, and we need your health insurance information to do that. So that's why you should bring your health insurance card to the meeting. Next, any correspondence that you've received. This would be from your insurance company, from the at-fault driver's insurance company, any like claim-related correspondence that you have, bring that along. We'll take a look. We can explain it all to you and help you respond to it if needed. Next, you should bring in photographs. Now, this would include photographs both of yourself and your injuries, of anything that you've been kind of, can maybe help us understand how this impacted your life, and any photographs of the scene or of your vehicles or anything that could help us understand the dynamics at play in the accident or how severe the damage to your car was. Next, if you have a copy of your own auto insurance declarations, it can be very helpful to bring that because your lawyer can help explain what coverage may be available to help you that's on your own policy. Because oftentimes in auto accident cases, we're pursuing insurance coverage on the at-fault driver's policy and on your own policy. There may be medical payment coverage, there may be uninsured or underinsured coverage that may provide additional coverage on your own policy. And if you've already been paying premiums for that coverage and it can help you, we want to make sure that we've identified that and explained it to you and figure out how to maximize the value to you of all the available coverage that you can turn to for your case. Finally, I'd recommend that you make a list of all your questions because when you're sitting down with a lawyer, that consultation can go kind of fast, the conversation can be diverted, and when I meet with someone about a car accident case, I want to make sure that we answer all of their questions to the best of our ability, give the best answers we can. So I'd highly encourage you to make sure your questions are answered, to kind of think through what questions you might have in advance and bring a list with you. That way we can be sure that we answer all of your questions. Well, hey, if you'd like a free consultation about a car accident case, we'd love for you to reach out to us. If you have other questions about car accident cases, we've got a lot of other videos here. And I do want to thank you for taking the time to watch this one. Take care.